This is my Year 11 scientific practice assignment on water buffalo. What is a water buffalo? The water buffalo have been in Australia for many years. They originated from China, the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The water buffalo are now found in many countries like South America, Australia, Europe and North America. The water buffalo are herbivores, meaning they eat a variety of plants. These herbivores mainly live together in herds for protection and with an assortment of genders. When the animals are in their big herds, they are at their most dangerous as they become more aggressive. In addition to this, they also contribute to soil erosion, channeling floodwaters and increase of salt water into freshwater habitats. Some problems that water buffalo have on the environment is soil erosion. The water buffalo can be quite destructive when together. These animals are causing soil erosion and channeling waterways, making places more prone to flooding, causing food sources to drown. This is because buffalo spend almost a quarter of their day wallowing and swimming to get out of the summer heat in the Northern Territory. Buffaloes can also weigh up to 450 kilos as well, causing major damage to soil and banks. Impacts of aquatic flora and fauna. Water buffalo also have an effect on native flora and fauna. These animals are causing native species to decline or to be forced out of their habitat. They are causing significant issues around the grass and the plant life that they eat and trample daily. This then leaves our native species with minimal options for their food sources. Buffalo also stir up the water and mud, making the water body unsuitable for many aquatic plants to live in, causing native species to become extinct. Another threat that water buffalo pose is to the herds of cattle up north, as they carry deadly diseases such as Brucellosis, which eliminates heifers from calving. The other deadly disease they carry is tuberculosis, which is a general illness that can lead to death of cattle. Solutions. With water buffalo causing all these problems, there must be some solutions set in place. Culling. The solution to the water buffalo getting out of control up in the northern regions, an option is to do big shootings and cullings. These will reduce numbers significantly, leaving farmers with less stress. This option was carried out in the late 20th century, downsizing the water buffalo population. It was quite effective, but wasn't carried up to full potential as the terrain made it difficult to eradicate all of them. Other uses. Another option is that the overseas market and demand for the meat of the water buffalo is at a high, especially for the pet food. The market also has demand on the hides and the horns of the water buffalo. This has increased interest not only for farmers but hunters to go and eradicate these animals off farm property. Conclusion. Since the demand for these animals went up, the number of the herds are drastically going down. These animals are not under control yet, but if these solutions are put in place, the numbers will eventually get to a low. Thank you.